Hello, good morning. I am Amit and we are learning Python. So we are going to discuss about the module 9, that is data structure. So in Python, list comprehension provide a concise and elegant way to create new list by applying expression to each element in an iterable like list, tuple, string or range. First, basic of list comprehension. Syntax is expression for item in iterable if condition. So expression, the value to store in a new list can include transformation item, the variable that represent each element in the iterable. Any iterable list, string, range, etc. Condition optional or filter to include element that satisfy the condition. So let's go with the example. So create a list of a square from 1 to 5. So square equal to uh, the square bracket x multiply 2 for x in a range 1 to 6, then print square. Let's see. So we are going to get the square of 1 to 5 number. So square equal to x square 2 for x into range 1 to 6. If I increase the range like 1 to 10, it will give up to 9. So let's see. See, up to 9, it will give the square of all the numbers. That is, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, and then like similarly up to the 9. The list comprehension with condition. You can add an item condition to filter element. Even number between 1 to 10. Even equal to x for x in a range 1 to 11. If x divided by 2 and if it completely divisible by 2, it will even number. Check this. Make this comment the first program, then print for the second one. So even equal to x for x in a range 1 to 11, that is we want the even number from 1 to 10. So I put up to 11. If x divided by 2 and it's completely divisible, then it give even number. How? Just see this. Otherwise we can make this 21. That is 1 to 20. It will give the even number between 1 to 20. See. So 2 is the even number, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Up to 20, it's give the even number. After that, example with else. Here, this is the if condition. Now else condition. Mark number as even or odd. So level equal to even if x divided by 2 is completely divisible, else odd. If the number is completely divisible by 2, it's a even number. Otherwise, it's a odd number. Between 1 to 6, I am going to make this 1 to 10 or 1 to 11. So it will give the odd and even up to 10, like this. So first is odd, that is 1, 2 is even, then 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, similarly up to the 10. Nested list comprehension. You can nest list comprehension useful for 2D list matrix. So matrix, this is the matrix, the first matrix, second matrix and the third matrix. Flattened equal to num for row in a matrix for num in a row. So it will mix all the numeric value under the matrix 1, 2, 3. All the value under the matrix 3 will come under the one matrix, like this. So the first matrix contains 1, 2, 3, second matrix 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 4, 5, 6, and then the third matrix is 7, 8, 9. So it's combine all the matrices and give the result in a single matrix using function in a list comprehension. So define a square equal to x, return x into x, result a square x for x in a range 1 to 6. It will give the same thing, the square, but using function in a list comprehension. And I'll make this up to nt1. So up to 20, it will give the square of all the numbers. Practical example: extract vowel from the string. How can I extract? Just check this. The text equal to Python and vowel ch for ch in a text. If ch in a this is a vowel number, that is a, e, I, o, u. So under this words Python, whatever the vowel number, it will extract. So print vowel. So O is the vowel. If I change the word, like let's suppose I give a word mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. So here two vowel, that is A and O. Let's see. Here A and O. If I change the word like anything, my name Amit, A and I. So we can find the vowel number. Convert Celsius to the Fahrenheit. See, Celsius is 0, 10, 20, 30. These are the temperature, that is 0 temperature, 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree Celsius. Now we want to convert into the Fahrenheit. So the formula is C multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32 for C in a Celsius, like this. So this is the formula for Celsius. Convert Celsius into the Fahrenheit. C multiplied by 9 by 5 in plus 32. So let's see. Here 0 equal to 32 in a Celsius converted into Fahrenheit. So 0 is treated as 32 in a Fahrenheit, and 10 become 50, 20 become 60 and 30 become 86. Data structure with comprehension. Data structure with comprehension. Python also support dictionary comprehension, set comprehension, and the generator expression. Dictionary comprehension. Square dix, so x divided by x into 2 for x in a range 1 to 6. So print a square that, so it will give number like this. Let's see. So square underscore dix equal to x divided by x square 2 for x in a range 1 to 6. So 1 by 1, 2 by 4. This is the number and this is the square of number. So 2 and 4 is a square, 3, 9 is a square, 4, 16 is a square, like this. Set comprehension. This is a dictionary comprehension. Now set comprehension. So unique underscore square equal to x square for x in a 1, 2, 2, 3. Print unique underscore square. So whatever the unique value, it will make the square. Here we have a repetitive number. Let's suppose repeat some more number. See this. So we have 1, 2 is repetitive number, 3 is repetitive number, 4 is repetitive, 9, 10, like this. 9 is 8, 8, 10, and 1 is not repetitive number. So it will give the square number of unique value. See this. So 64, 1, 4, 109. So 64 is the square of 8. 1 is the square of 1. 2 is 4 is the square of 2. 10, 9, 3 is the square, like this. Otherwise we can make this smaller, then we can understand it. See, we have a 1 and 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3. So 1 is a unique number, 2 is a repetitive number, and 3 is a unique number. So when I run this program, so square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 2. Here there is 2 times 2, but it's give only 1 time. So this is the function of unique. Advantage of list comprehension: more readable and concise than using loop, faster than for loop for creating list since it's optimized in C. Default parameter. In Python, default parameter are used in function definitions to provide default value for functions argument. When working with data structure like list, dictionary, set, etc., it's important to use default parameter carefully, especially with mutable object like list and dictionary. Using default parameter with mutable type. So immutable type like integer, string or tuple are safe to use as a default parameter. See this. So define greet equal to name equal to guest, then print f hello name, then greet and greet name. So hello guest and then hello Amit. Like this. If I change some name like Sumit, hello guest, hello Sumit. So immutable type like integer, string or tuple are safe to use as a default parameter. Avoid mutable default common pitfall. If you use a mutable object like a list of dictionary as a default parameter, Python uses the same object across function call. This can lead to unexpected behavior. So let's so define add underscore item, that is item, then item underscore list. So item list dot append item, return item list. So print add item apple, print add item banana. one more try to do this. See this like this. Again, put one more. Like this. If you use a mutable object like a list or a dictionary as a default parameter, Python uses the same object across functions calls. This can lead an unexpected behavior. Variable argument. Variable argument allow function to accept an arbitrary number argument, and they can be very useful when working with data structure like list, dictionary, set, etc. There are two types of variable argument, that is args, non-keywords variable argument, collect extra positional argument as tuple, commonly used when you don't know how many argument will pass. Example using arg with a list. So define add underscore to underscore list item, result equal to list item, return result. So print add underscore to list 10, 20, 30. So it's print into the list. Arg with the list. Then KR keywords variable arguments collects extra keywords argument as a dictionary. Useful when you want to pass name argument and don't know their name ahead of time. Example using KR with dictionary. So see this with the example. So define create underscore student underscore record information, return information, print create underscore student underscore record, name equal to Amit, age equal to 30, grade equal to A. See, name Amit, age 30 and R like this. So this is a list and this is a dictionary. So basically, and arg non-keyword variable argument collect extra positional argument as a tuple, commonly used when you don't know how many argument will be passed. Arg keywords variable argument collect extra keywords argument as a dictionary, and this is as a tuple. So useful when you want to pass name argument and don't know their name ahead of the time. Combine example using both. define data underscore structure underscore example equal to arg k-arg, then print tuple from arg and print dictionary from k-arg. So data structure example 1 2 3 name Amit. Okay, so combination of both will be printed here. Just check this here, tuple from arg 1 2 3 and dictionary from k-arg, name, role and fine. Name Amit and role is trainer. When used to data structure, you can use args to build list or tuple dynamically. You can use k-arg to populate dictionary, useful in a class, data processing functions or configuration. Specialized sorts. In Python, data structure specialized sorts refers to sorting technique or algorithm tailored for a specific scenario or data structure. These are not just general purpose sorting method like sorts or sorted, but are optimized or specialized for performance, data shape or constraint. Key key based sorting, key equal to parameter, used with sorted or dot sorted for custom sorting logic. So data equal to apple, banana, cherry and date, sort by length of each of the words. Fine. So it will this program will sort the data according to the length of the words. Let's check this. So date have only 4 letter, apple has 5, banana have 1 2 3 4 5 6 letter and cherry has 1 2 3 4 5 6. And here it's after the number of letter it's arranged alphabetically like this. So according to the length of the words it arranged, sorted. Sort stable sorts. Python built in sorted and dot sorts use time sorts, a hybrid of merge sorts and inserter sorts, which is stable. Students, let's see this. So student equal to John 85, Jan 90, Dev 85, then Ram 90 and Shyam 85. So print sorted students key equal to lambda x is to x into 1. See. So John 85, then Dave 85, Shyam 85, then 90. So if I change this, let's suppose I make this 100. Now check this. So Dev is 85, then Sam is 85, John, then Ram, then John. Jan 90, Ram then. So according to the value here, it's sorted. Sorting tuple by multiple key. See this. So data equal to Alice 25, Bob 30, Alice 22, Pooja 30 and Manjari 36. So print sorted. So sort by name, then by age. See. Okay, so Alice 22. Where is the Alice? See, Alice is here 25 and Alice is 22. So first is sort by name and then data. After that Alice again and then data. So here Alice 22 become first and then Alice 25 becomes second. After that Bob alphabetically and then 30, then Manjari M and then Pooja 30 like this. After that, heap sort using head queue, mini heap. So efficient for priority queue behavior and partial sorting. The import head queue number equal to 51987 like this, and head queue equal to head if y num, then print head queue equal to heap pop number. See, 1 is the smallest number. If I remove this now, 3 is the smallest now. So it will give the smallest number. Then custom comparator with function tool dot cmp underscore 2 underscore ky. Use when sort need to comparison between pairs. From functions tool import cmp to key. Define custom underscore cmp av return len a minus len b words banana fig apples. So sort words equal to sorted words, key equal to cmp underscore key underscore key, this is the name, and then print sorted words. See, we have words like banana, fig, and apple when we run this program. So the length of the words, according to the length of the words, it's sorted. If I give one more words, let's suppose I put A, B, or B, A, B, A, or Z, A. See, Z, A becomes first, then fig, then apple, then banana. So length of the words, according to the length of the words, it can sort. Then counting sort when element are in integer in limited range. Good for small range integer. So diff counting underscore sorts array, then count equal to 0 into max array plus 1 for num in array, then count num plus 1 equal to 1 sorted array, then for I C in enumerate count, then sort underscore array dot extend I into C, return sorted array, print counting number. Let's see. So it's arrange the number like small range integer counting sort. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 like this. Sorting dictionaries by key or value. So D equal to A by 3, B by 1, C by 2. Print sorted. So see, it's sorted by B by 1. 1 is the smallest one. Then C is to 2. Then A is to 3. Like this it can sort. Sorting dictionary. Then sorting with operator module. More efficient and readable than lambda in some cases. So from operator import item getter record equal to Alice 25, Bob 22 and the Dave 30. So print sorted record key according to the this numeric value it's sorted. So Bob 22, then um, Alice 25, then Dave 30. So this is our last program for the this module 9 data structure. So we have completed it. Thanks.